Hi everyone, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. This is Melanie. Thank you so much for joining me today as I share with you the Tonic Craft Kit for November. So let me get this open and we'll have a look. Okay, so in this month's kit I received another one of these binders. The idea behind this is that you take their stamps and dies and you add them into your binders and you can store them this way. It's actually not a bad system. Unfortunately, I have so many dies. Well, not unfortunately, fortunately, I have so many other dies and stamps that I have another method that I'm already storing my stamps and dies, and so I will transfer these out. But I'm thinking, even if I don't use it for that, this would make a really cute mini album, right? Just paint this up or cover it with some cardstock, voila! Anyways. So let's talk about the dies and stamps first. So, let's see what's in here. Oh, they always include a sticker. Introducing Tonic Top-Ups. What is this all about? Top up your craft stash and keep on crafting with any of the brilliant items. Oh, okay, so it's telling you you can get these items because these are just samplers. Okay, so this is introducing the pet window frame kit. So that's what this is all about. It's showing you the little critters that you can make along with the window frame. And then it's giving you instructions as to how to put them together. That's going to be super helpful. So you make a dog, a cat, a little bird with a treehouse with a birdhouse, and then a rabbit and some fish. How cute is that? Very excited about that. Okay, so the stamp set, I don't know if you can see this, it's going to give you the bricks to do the outside of the house. It's got some hearts, it's got some accessories for the animals like the little fish bones, dog bones, a ball, collar, a food bowl, paw prints. It says, puppy love, sorry to hear you're feeling rough, you're perfect. A man's best friend, forever friends, you have me at woof, and then this border stripe. That's really cute. And then the dies, so you get the window frame. These would be the shutters. I'm thinking this is probably the sill, and you get some flower pots, the fish bowl. This is some grass, the little bird and a flower. I'm not sure what this piece is. Does it tell you? I'm not sure what this piece is. And then this is the banner that goes across. Oh, I know what these are. These are the curtains. They're the little stripes there. So curtains, and then the banner. And then this is the inside of the window. You got the bunny, the cat, the birdhouse, bits and pieces from the dog, and all the accessories to finish the animals. So that is the stamps and dies. That's super cool. I can't wait to play with this. Okay, as far as cardstock goes, we have their textured card. This is in denim blue. It is textured on one side, so it's got like a weave, and then it's flatter on the other. And then we have Clementine orange. It's the same kind of thing. It's that textured. We have some very, very, very thick acetate. They're calling it construction acetate. So the idea, I believe, with this is to make the window. Then we get some brown. This is chocolate brown, again in that texture weave. This black is very interesting. What is this? Is it mirror? I don't know if this is mirror black. Not sure what this one is exactly. It's either jet black or mirror black. Let's find out. This here is, this is Bronze Labyrinth. It's their specialty cardstock. It's very pretty. Okay, so this is their weave texture jet black. This would be their mirror card. They're calling it Black Velvet, and it's it's not like super shining like some of their other mirrors, but it's very cool. So I think the idea behind this is you can use this to make like the noses and stuff of the animals. Then this pinky color is mirror cardstock called Pink Chiffon. How pretty is that? This is Oyster Gray, again textured card. We get some bright white texture card, and then this is avocado green texture card. So we get lots of cardstock in this month's kit, and I think the idea behind all of these colors is so that you can replicate what you're seeing here on the samples. I think that's the idea behind it. Now, my favorite part, of course, is all the, oops, sorry about that, is all the embellishments that come with it. So we get some dimensional foam pads. These are 2mm thick. You get 96 squares, so it's not a super huge pack, but definitely enough to make a few things from this kit. We get an ink pad, an ink cube, and this is in Metro Gray. I don't actually have any of their ink pads, so this is great. All their stuff comes really well packaged. So these were in these little plastic bags. I've cut them open. And this here is embossing powder in Glacier White. So again, it's not a huge pot. It's just giving you a sampling, but you could still do quite a bit with this. I've had tubs a little bigger than this, well, probably about 3 times the size that I've had for 10 years. We are also getting something, which one is this one? This is an embellishment mousse, and does it tell me a color? Cosmic Brown. Yeah, Cosmic Brown embellishment mousse. Okay, then we are getting 3 paintbrushes. That's cool. I did not know they had paintbrushes. So it looks like this was the surprise gift for the month. Now, I heard that they're not doing the surprise gift anymore going forward because a lot of times people don't know what they were getting and they never find out. So, you know, from a marketing perspective, I guess, didn't work out quite the way that they had hoped. But anyways, yes, we get 3 paintbrushes, so that's pretty exciting. We also get 3 watercolor pencils. So there's Cotton Candy, Scuba Blue, and Lemongrass. So they must sell these in sets of 3, it looks like. And this one's called Sweet Shop. And here's the full range of their watercolors. It'll be interesting to try these and see how they compare. And then the last thing, this is cool. It's a calligraphy brush. So what's really popular nowadays is brush lettering. I'm not very good at it at all, but it looks like you get a refillable ink with it as well. So that's kind of cool. And it gives you instructions on how to refill it. Very, very cool. So that, my friends, is October's kit. This is the Tonic Craft Kit. And if this is something that you are interested in, make sure you go to Tonic Studios. If you are in the US, there is Tonic Studios USA. For everywhere else in the world, you should go to the UK site. I believe that's how what they instruct on. You can sign up for the kit. So I pay for the kit 3 months at a time. I find it's the most economical, but there are options to sign up for it on a monthly basis, I believe. But yeah, if you love the kits as much as I do, the 3-month option is definitely the best deal. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed having a look-see at what's in the kit, and hopefully I can get to crafting soon and maybe share some of those projects with you. Who knows? We'll see what happens. Until next time, happy crafting.